Okay, good morning. Benchmark Metals is a Canadian gold and silver exploration company located with a key project in northern British Columbia. We're currently aggressively drilling to expand a new resource estimate. It's a formerly producing gold-silver property produced during the 1980s. And if you look a little bit further down the slide there, you'll see some very high grades. That's the key point in this project. 7 meters of over 100 grams gold and over 900 grams silver. And then below that, you see a long bulk mineable intercept of 33 meters of near 6 grams gold and over 100 grams silver. These intercepts that we're encountering across 6 zones are all at or very close to surface. If we were to fast forward this program perhaps another 3 years, 4 years, I believe what we'll isolate here is multiple open pits in stage production. It would begin with open pit mining across likely 4 pits that could be interconnected, and then it would move deeper underground into higher grade zones. Tremendous amount of data available on this because it did produce from 1989 to 1992. It produced approximately 50,000 ounces a year, but the property was never fully explored, nor was it fully depleted. This is a good snapshot of the area. You can see it's quite open. We have excellent access to the site. Unlike many other northern Canadian projects, we can actually drive right to the drill with a 2-wheel drive truck. Being formerly producing, infrastructure remains in place. There's 5 levels of underground development in one of the zones. As mentioned, fully road accessible. The Kemess gold copper mine lies about 45 kilometers away. We own the 100% of the project, and we've already established some very good First Nations agreements. So most of the boxes have been ticked here. We just completed an 11,000 meter drill program this year, and we have 40 holes sitting at the assay lab. These results will be coming out in the next, right through October, and we anticipate more results right into January timeframe. This is a catalyst for growth of the company. Regular news flow, putting out some of those big intercepts of high-grade material and longer intercepts of moderate grade material. We're planning for a 25,000 meter drill program next year. This is all based on the results that we're seeing right now. A good snapshot of the property, 127 square kilometers. In the heart of the property, the very center there with the red polygon, you can see 6 zones outlined. These are where we're drilling and expanding along strike and at depth. We know our tagline here is that we're targeting 5 million ounces. We believe that following this year's program and an aggressive 25,000 meter program next year, that we can get close to a multi-million ounce type level. The icing on the cake for this project, you can see outside of that red circled boundary, there's 6 other zones that remain to be drill tested. We believe there's potential here for brand new discoveries on those other zones. And this is a snapshot of the 6 zones that have existing gold and silver intercepts. If you look on the right side of the slide there, this is the key to this project, high-grade gold and silver. We put out a result about 2 weeks ago. It's near 1 meter of 130 grams gold, 8,500 grams silver. These are spectacular bonanza grade results. They're all very close to surface. These 1 to 5 meter slivers of high grade material are all enveloped within much larger intercepts. 33 meters of near 6 grams gold and just over 100 grams silver. That particular result starts underfoot, right from surface. So we are seeing mineralization across this package at surface. The average drill hole depth is only about 200 meters. We still have yet to determine where the boiling point ends in this system, but it certainly extends well below 250 meters. And the key question here that often gets asked is, well, you've got an 11,000 meter program and you're planning for a 25,000 meter program. Do you have the capital in the treasury? Well, we just completed a fundraising with Eric Sprott. We raised $7.5 million. Eric Sprott himself contributed $4 million to this capital raise. We're fully funded through 2019, and we're also fully funded in 2020 for this 25,000 meter program. So there's some big catalysts for growth here. We don't need to go back to the market for more capital. We just completed the 2011 program. Results are pending on over 40 holes. And we're already beginning planning for next year in 2020, 25,000 meter drill program. This would be followed by a brand new resource estimate. That's a quick snapshot of the company. Keep your eyes on news. There's one thing our company's been exceedingly good at is distributing news on a regular basis, keeping shareholders updated. When you go to our news page, you'll see that every 7 to 10 days there's an update or results coming out. Thank you.